A very warm good evening. Today we all have with us our respected Dr. Sunil Lanjewar Sir, Additional SP of Aurangabad Rural, Dr. Ullas Patil Sir, Director of our Institute, Ms. Vinny Kale Madam, Coordinator of Prize Distribution Ceremony, Dr. D.S. Bhagat Sir, Coordinator of Sports Committee, Dr. Beauty Arora Madam, Coordinator of the Cultural Committee. I request them to come on the dais. I welcome all the dignitaries, teachers, non-teaching staff, students, and all my friends. Today, we all are gathered here for annual prize distribution ceremony of the academic year 2K23. After 4 days of sports and 2 days of cultural fest, we all are here gathered for the end of the Phoenix and Forensic Nova. Now, I request our Director Sir and Dr. Sunil Lanjewar Sir and all the dignitaries to proceed with the lamp lighting. I request Dr. Ullas Patil Sir to felicitate our Director, dearest guest, Dr. Sunil Lanjewar Sir. I also request Ms. Vinny Kale Madam, Coordinator of Prize Distribution Ceremony, to felicitate our Director Sir, Dr. Ullas Patil Sir. I would like to call Dr. Sunil Lanjewar Sir to share his wisdom with us.
आजच्या औरंगाबाद येथील अतिशय नामवंत अशा आपल्या या संस्थेमध्ये आयोजित होत असलेल्या पारितोषिक वितरण समारंभाचे अध्यक्ष माननीय उल्हास पाटील सर, मंचावरील सर्व मान्यवर, माझे सर्व प्राध्यापक मित्रमंडळ, इथे जमलेल्या सर्व बंधू आणि भगिनींनो, वास्तविक मी या कार्यक्रमासाठी प्रमुख अतिथी म्हणून बक्षीस वितरण समारंभाला हजर राहावं अशी एक प्रेमळ सूचना आमचे मित्र डॉक्टर शर्मा सर यांनी केलेली होती आणि त्यामुळे मला बऱ्याचदा म्हणजे यापूर्वी म्हणजे 8 वर्षांपूर्वी ज्यावेळेला मी इथे DYSP म्हणून कार्यरत होतो त्यावेळेला संस्थेसोबत माझा एक नकळतपणे संबंध आला होता आणि त्यामुळेच किंबहुना ही सर्व प्राध्यापक मंडळी माझ्यासोबत या ना त्या कारणाने आम्ही सर्व जोडले गेलेलो होतो आणि राजेश कुमार सरांसोबत नेहमीच डायलॉग होत असतो आणि बाकी इतरही जी तुमची सगळी प्राध्यापक मंडळी आहेत त्यांच्यासोबत नेहमी माझा डायलॉग होतो. पोलीस आणि फॉरेन्सिक इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये काम करणारे सर्व जे प्राध्यापक असतात किंवा जे फॅकल्टीज असतात त्यांचा नेहमीच एक वेगळा ऋणानुबंध तयार होत असतो. कारण जिथे पोलीस अडतात किंवा पोलिसांना जिथे मर्यादा येतात त्या ठिकाणी फॉरेन्सिक इन्स्टिट्यूटमधून जे फॅकल्टी असतात किंवा तुमच्यासारखे विद्यार्थी असतात यांच्यामधून त्या प्रश्नांना उत्तरं मिळतात आणि पोलीस तपासाला मदत होते. त्यामुळे निश्चितपणे मला आनंद वाटतो आहे की अशा एक ठिकाणी की जिथे ज्ञान देण्याचं काम, ज्ञानदानाचं काम होतं, अशा ठिकाणी एक प्रमुख अतिथी म्हणून मला या ठिकाणी बोलवण्यात आलं. त्याबद्दल मी मान्यवरांचे या ठिकाणी सर्वांचे, विशेषतः पाटील सरांचे आणि बाकी इतर सर्व प्राध्यापक मंडळींचे मी या ठिकाणी आभार मानतो. त्याचबरोबर मलाही सांगायला आनंद वाटतो की ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूटनी पोलिसांना अतिशय वेळोवेळी जी मदत केली आहे त्यामध्ये काही प्रकर्षाने मला 2 गोष्टी सांगाव्याशा वाटतात. सन 2015मध्ये पोलीस कर्तव्य मेळावा जो होता, जो पोलिसांच्या तांत्रिक कौशल्याशी संबंधित असतो आणि विविध प्रकारचे जे कौशल्य असतात पोलीस तपासातले, तर त्यासाठी ज्या आवश्यक गोष्टी असतात त्याचा एक देशाच्या पातळीवर एक स्पर्धा होत असते आणि त्या स्पर्धेमध्ये आपल्या पोलिसांना म्हणजे आपल्या औरंगाबाद रेंजमधल्या पोलीस स्पर्धकांना तयारी करण्याचं काम, त्यांची तयारी करून घेण्याचं काम त्यावेळेला इन्स्टिट्यूटमधल्या प्राध्यापकांनी केलेलं होतं आणि निश्चितपणे त्याचा अतिशय चांगला उपयोग आपल्या पोलीस दलाला झाला आणि पोलीस विभागाला चांगली पारितोषिकंसुद्धा त्यावेळेला मिळालेली होती. त्याचबरोबर दरम्यानच्या 2017 ते 2018 या कालावधीमध्ये एक इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन बाईकचा एक प्रयोग ह्या औरंगाबाद परिक्षेत्रामध्ये आपण केला होता. त्या बाईक तयार करण्यामध्ये आणि फॉरेन्सिक किट तयार करण्यामध्ये इन्स्टिट्यूटमधल्या सर्व प्राध्यापक मंडळींनी त्या ठिकाणी मदत केली होती. राजेश कुमार सर असतील किंवा इतरही सर्व त्याच्यामध्ये जोडले गेलेले सर्व घटक असतील, त्यांनी अतिशय चांगली मोलाची मदत त्यावेळेला केली होती. मला वाटतं ह्या वेळेलासुद्धा पुढच्या आठवड्यामध्ये एक प्रशिक्षण ह्या ठिकाणी आयबाईकच्या पोलिसांसाठी आयोजित करण्यात आलेलं आहे. तर मला सांगायला अतिशय आनंद वाटतो की ही फॉरेन्सिक आपली जी सायन्स इन्स्टिट्यूट जी आहे, आपलं संशोधन केंद्र जे आहे, ते पोलिसांना वेळोवेळी रिअल टाईम हेल्प देण्याचं काम करतं. अगदीच मागच्या महिन्यामध्ये एका क्राईम स्पॉटला राजेश कुमार सरांना आम्ही बोलवलं होतं, त्या ठिकाणी ते स्वतः आले होते आणि त्यांनी मोलाची मदत त्या ठिकाणी केली होती. तर असे अनेक प्रसंग आहेत. तुम्ही भविष्यामध्ये, तुम्ही इथले जे विद्यार्थी आहात, तर भविष्यात तुम्हाला जेव्हा तुम्ही ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूटमधनं तुम्ही बाहेर पडाल त्यावेळेला निश्चितपणे तुमची मदत पोलीस दलाला होणार आहे. त्यामुळे मला आनंद वाटतो की भावी काळामध्ये जेव्हा तुम्ही एक तुमची पदवी पूर्ण करून तुम्ही जेव्हा बाहेर पडाल तेव्हा निश्चितपणे तुमचा समाजाला, पोलीस सेवेला निश्चितपणे त्याचा फायदा होणार आहे. तर त्यामुळे माझ्याकडून मी एवढं सांगेन की ज्या पद्धतीने हे संशोधन केंद्र, हे इन्स्टिट्यूट हे पोलीस दलाला सहाय्यभूत होत आहे, त्याच पद्धतीने भविष्यातसुद्धा तुम्ही जेव्हा येथून बाहेर पडणार आहात तुमच्या सेवासुद्धा पोलीस दलाला आणि एकूणच शासनाला, समाजाला तुमच्या सेवा प्राप्त होत तुम्हाला उज्ज्वल यश या ठिकाणी मिळो अशी मी या ठिकाणी प्रार्थना करतो. मला या ठिकाणी बोलवलं त्याबद्दल मी पाटील सरांचे आणि सर्व प्राध्यापक वृंदाचे या ठिकाणी मी आभार व्यक्त करतो. थांबतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing our kind words. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our teachers who we found to be more enthusiastic than us students in the last 1 week. Your positivity and encouragement brightened our students. Now we will come towards the most awaited moment. Any guesses what is it? Yes, you guys are right. It is the most awaited prize distribution. तो दिल थाम के बैठिए. After 4 days of getting fried by the sun, maintaining the love-hate relationship with the batchmates, and striving to win, we hereby announce the winners and the runner-ups of our respective sports. Firstly, we'll announce the winners in the category of the indoor sports. Carom. Playing carom with your crush is like losing the red queen knowing to win your queen. So the winners who stole the red queens are Ram Hatekar and Atharva Dhavle from BSc second year. I request both of them to come on the dice.
दुश्वार है एक ठोकर में उसको गिरा
And the one who lost the queens are Jay Girawale and Yash Devgale from BSc third year. I request both of them to come on the dais. सुन मैं कम करने And the queens who won the queen are Monica Suryavanshi and Sanjeevni Kadam from MSc first year. I request both of them to come on the stage. Who lost the queens are Pratiksha Ingle and Rutuja Thul from BSc second year. I welcome them on the stage. Moving on with the next category, that is chess. विश्वनाथ आनंद को भी पीछे छोड़ के अपने जिफ्सा के स्टूडेंट्स ने चेस में जीत हासिल की है. And that brain is from BSc third year. I welcome Rushikesh Sawant to come on the dais. The runner-up who gave tough fight, Master Vaibhav Lingampale from BSc first year. I welcome him on the dais. Under the section of girls, we saw a pretty great intellectual competition. For that, the first prize goes to Gauri Kangude from MSc first year. And right behind, taken by BSc first year, Kanjan Kare. I welcome her on the dais. Moving on with the next category, that is badminton. Badminton. I hope these people are good in real life. So the winner from boys is Jay Girawale from BSc third year. And his tough competitor Jai Kohli from BSc third year. Second runner-up Akash Mohan from MSc first year. Winners from the girls category is Nehal Joshi, BSc second year. I welcome her on the dice. Runner-up Miss Samruddhi Dodke from BSc third year. And the second runner-up is Supriya Sangle, MSc second year. Moving to the next category, that is skipping. Just for the clarity, this award is not for skipping lectures but for skipping competitions. And the students who are excelling in both of these are Harsh Gavai from BSc third year. And the runner-up is Ajinkya Kole from BSc second year. Second runner-up is Chirag Jankar from BSc first year. From the girls, the winner is Bhakti Bhise, BSc first year. Second runner-up is Shraddha Nagar, MSc first year. A heartfelt congratulations to all the winners from indoor sports. Moving on to the outdoor sports. Now coming to the volleyball. I wish love was like volleyball. You call mine and everyone backs off. The winner in BSc third year. I request Suraj Varale, captain of the team, and Mahesh Thor, vice captain of the team, to come on the dice, respect with his team. I request Sushant Kale, Yash Devghale, Harshdeep Chavan, Shaumik Mandal, Bhavesh Patil to come on the dais. The runner-up goes to BSc second year, Captain Ms. Sumit Chavan and Vice Captain Mahesh Bali. Harshal Rokde, Nakul Kharat, Abhay Ahir, Ram Hatekar, Atharva Davle, Abhishek Avade to come on the dice. Now, coming to the quickest victory in the history of GIFSA. Any guesses which sport it was? Sorry, it was tug of war. Winner is BSc first year, Miss Master Vaibhav Lingampale, Vice Captain Chirag Jankar, Captain Abhay Lokhande, Vikram Pawar, Rohan Telang, Shankar Tare, Kshitij Manjit MP, Rishikesh Zadte, Sainath Betkar to come on the stage. From the girls, it's again BSc first year. Dhanashri Jadhav, Vice Captain, Devika Mulindharan's Captain, Saili Kitukle, Bhakti Bise, Kanchan Kale, Sejal Futane, Nupur Kamble, Khushi Rajput, Manaswini Jadhav, Purnima Khandare. Please come on the dice. लगता है ये साल के फ्रेशर्स ने अपना जोर दिखाई दिया. Runner-up is BSc third year, Captain Raj Kale, Vaibhav Gube is the Vice Captain, Jai Girawale, Gaurav Rokde, Harshvardhan Gavai, Jai Kohli, Suraj Vardale, Bhavesh Patil, Harshdeep Chavan, Mahesh Thor, Yash Devghale. I welcome them on the dice. From the category of girls, runner-up team is BSc third year, Ishita Mishra, Captain, Varsha Bayas, Vice Captain, Shruti Khairnar, Ankita Rathod, Devyani Rathod, Prerna Dagwar, Monica Kohare, Khushbu Khairnar, Shivani Gore, Samiksha Khobargade. I welcome them on the dice. Now, coming to the game which originated from Maharashtra, that is Kho-Kho. From the boys, the winner is BSc first year. I welcome Abhay Lokhande, Vice Captain, Chirag Jankar, Captain, Dhyanesh Kadam, Vaibhav Lingampale, Rohan Kelang, Rohit Parate, Vaibhav Shinde, Kshitij Dongar Dive, Vikram Pawar, Shankar Tare, Rishi Zadte to come on the dice. And the runner-up goes to Team PG, Umesh Kalapad, captain, Shivraj Patil, vice captain, Rutik Khamkar, Sandesh Talwarkar, Mahesh Shinde, Nishay Kutawade, Anirudh Pable, Nayan Lade, Harsh Chavan, Vishwajit Sonar, Vijay Pariskar to come on the dice. From the girls, winner is BSc third year, Preeti Vahal, Shivani Gore, Gauravi Nipunge, vice captain, Amisha Kune, Ankita Rathod, captain, Shubhangi Vardale, Samruddhi Dodke, Shruti Khairnar, Devyani Rathod, Varsha Bayas, Samiksha Khobragade. I welcome them on the dice. Runner-up is MSc first year, Gauri Kangude, captain, Monica Suryavanshi, vice captain, Pragati Kodke, Sanjeevni Kadam, Shraddha Magar, Pratiksha Garze, Sushma Kandhare, Kanchan Chavan, Devyani Netke, Chaitali Khadilkar, Vaishnavi Havde and Pooja Ippar. I request them to come on the dice. I thought cricket was just a game of ball and bat, but stumps has its own impact. The winner of the cricket team is RPG team. Umesh Kalapad, vice captain, Sandesh Talwekar, captain, Rutik Khamkar, Akash Mohan, Mahesh Shinde, Nishay Kuwadta, Anirudh Pable, Nayan Lade, Adarsh Chavan, Vishwajit Sonar, Vijay Pariskar, Harshvardhan Shingare, Shivraj Patil. I welcome them on the dice. And the runner-up is BSc second year. Sheikh Khaja, vice captain, Abhay Ahir, captain, Sumit Chavan, Mahesh Bali, Harshal Rokde, Abhishek Awade, Nakul Kharat, Jayesh Badoge, Ajinkya Kolhe, Vrushab Tiple, Atharva Davle and Nilesh Kamble. I welcome them on the dice. In the category of girls, winner is again PG team. Supriya Sangle, captain, Rutuja Idpachi, vice captain, Huda Boga, Rohini Khatik, Pragati Kenjale, Akanksha Sadavarte, Sushmita Bhalerao, Saili Ghatke, Sakshi Missal, Pratiksha Garze, Kanchan Chavan, Monica Suryavanshi, Sanjeevni Kadam, Shreya Shukla, Devyani Netke, Gauri Kangude, Manjari Hutake. I welcome them on dice. Runner-up again is BSc second year, Vaishnavi Musre, captain, Rutuja Thul, vice captain, Utkarsha Deshmukh, Suchita Gite, Nishlesha Bhadke, Shrushti Maistri, Shweta Gumre, Sania Bulani, Pooja Nikam, Mrudula Kamble, Pratiksha Ingle, Aarti Gadge, Ashish Palkade, Sakshi Gore. I welcome them on the dice. Introducing a new segment, Awards for the Best Player of 2K23. Best Bats Person, Khushi Rajput, BSc first year, highest number of runs in one inning. Abhay Ahir, BSc second year, hitting highest number of sixes in the tournament. Sushant Kale, BSc third year, two-time match not out. Next bowler, Sheikh Khaja, BSc second year. Harshal Rokde, BSc second year, and Pratiksha Ingle, BSc second year. Hat-trick bowler, Gaurav Rokde, BSc third year. All-rounder, Jai Girawale, BSc third year. Vaishnavi Musre, BSc second year. Best fielder, Huda Bogani, MSc second year, and Mahesh Bali, BSc second year. Huda Bogani, MSc second year. Best wicket keeper, Abhishek Awade, BSc second year. Best Kho-Kho players, Chirag Jankar, BSc first year. Gauri Kangude, MSc first year. Gauravi Nipunge, BSc third year. Best tug of war players, Manjit MP from BSc first year. Best volleyball player, Sumit Chavan from BSc second year. Now, I would like to call upon DICE to felicitate the active volunteers who made Phoenix 2K23 successful. And from MSc second, Vishwajit Sonar, Harshata Wankhede, Mathuri Muske. From MSc 1, Pooja Ippar, Shreya Shukla, Umesh Kalapad, Akash Mohan, and Gauri Kangude. From BSc third year, Shruti Khairnar, वैभव गुभे, तेजस कलाल, सुशांत काळे, भावेश पाटील, जय कोहली, गौरव रोकडे, जय गिरावले, ऋषिकेश सावंत, सूरज वडराले. From BSc second, I call Mahesh Bali. From BSc first year, I call Abhay Lokhande. Congratulations to all the winners and heartfelt congratulations to the participants who gave their best. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Ms. Nehal Joshi for the further announcement of the winners of Forensic Nova 2K23. Thank you. फटाफट बोल I would like to call Naik ma'am, Pawar sir, Sahu sir, Sheikh sir and Gawade sir on the dais.
Cultural events are the only part of the college life where we make memories and cherish them forever. Coming towards the announcement of the awards for the fest like never before, Forensic Nova 2K23. Rangoli resembles life. All you have to do is connect the right dots to make them perfect. So the winners of the Rangoli competition are, there's a tie between the third rank. Third rank goes to Miss Kishita Kalita from BSc first year and Sneha Karhale from BSc first year. I would like to call them upon the dais. Second rank goes to Miss Anamika Singh and Miss Monali Kohare from BSc third year. Now there is again a tie between the first place. First rank goes to Miss Shruti Khainar and Miss Samruddhi Dorke from BSc third year. And the first rank goes to Mr. Mahesh Thor and Harsh Gawai from BSc third year. जो गवर्नमेंट जॉब से डर कर टैटू नहीं कर पाए, उन्होंने इस कल्चरल फेस्ट में अपनी इच्छा पूरी कर ली। द विनर्स ऑफ द टैटू मेकिंग कॉम्पिटिशन आर, थर्ड रैंक गोज टू मिस्टर शौमिक मंडल फ्रॉम BSc थर्ड ईयर। Second rank goes to Miss Shruti Khairnar from BSc third year. And the first rank goes to Mr. Harsh Gavai from BSc third year. कविता क्या होती है? कविता तब होती है जब एक भावना को उसका विचार मिल जाता है और उन विचार को अपने शब्द मिल जाते हैं। सो द विनर्स ऑफ द पोएट्री कॉम्पिटिशन आर, थर्ड रैंक गोज टू मिस्टर शौमिक मंडल फ्रॉम BSc थर्ड ईयर। सेकेंड रैंक गोज टू मिस हर्षदा शिंदे फ्रॉम MSc सेकेंड ईयर। First rank goes to Miss Shruti Khairnar from BSc third year. जिंदगी एक सफ़र है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। Now coming towards the winners of the solo singing competition, third rank goes to Mr. Shomik Mandal from BSc third year. Second rank goes to Miss Nupur Kamble from BSc first year. And the first rank goes to Mr. Gaurav Rokre from BSc third year. Now coming to the most visually appealing competition of this event, solo dance. Third rank goes to Miss Kishita Kalita from BSc first year. Second rank goes to Miss Shivani Borse from MSc second year. And the first rank goes to Mr. Harsh Gavai from BSc third year. The winners list is in my hands right now, but the ones who deserve the upcoming award are the students who dance their hearts out on the DJ. So the winners of the group dance competition are, third rank goes to Miss Sejal Futane, Purnima Khandare and Miss Shruti Dalal from BSc first year. And the second rank goes to Miss Nehal Joshi and Miss Shreya Sakpar from BSc second year. And the first rank goes to Miss Gauravi Dipunje and Mr. Harsh Gavai from BSc third year. Now coming towards the most intriguing competition, Hook Step Challenge. The winners are, third rank goes to Mr. Harsh Gavai from BAC third year. Second rank goes to Miss Prerna Dagwar from BAC third year. And the first rank goes to Miss Shreya Sakpar from BAC second year. Now, I would like to call upon the dice to felicitate the active volunteers who made Forensic Nova 2K23 successful. Firstly, I would like to invite respective class representatives. Ms. Sejal Putane, Mr. Abhay from BAC first year, Pratiksha Ingle and Harshal Rokde from BAC second year, Shruti Khairnar, Mr. Mahesh Thor from BAC third year, Manjiri Hutke, Umesh Kalapad from MSc first year, Pragati Kenjale and Sandesh Talvekar from MSc second year. Now, I would like to call the other volunteers who actively participated in this event. Vaibhav Lingampale from BAC first year, Nishlesha Bhadke from BAC second year, Pooja Ippar from MSc second year, Shaumik Mandal, Madhuri Maske, Harsh Gavai, Bhavesh Patil, Adarsh Chavan, Abhishek Avare and Gaurav Rokde. That is the end of cultural events. So coming towards the end of the announcements, everyone among us enjoyed and made memories this whole week, and these were the days where we saw unity among us and countless interactions with each other. I hope we all celebrate Forensic Nova 2K24 with the same enthusiasm. Now, I will announce the winners of the poster presentation competition which was held for the second year under the supervision of Mr. Rahul Gavde sir. The consolation prize goes to Ms. Nishlesha Bhadke, Ms. Pratiksha Ingle and Ms. Rutuja Gavali. Third prize goes to Ms. Shushti Mestri and Ms. Monal Nikoshe. Second prize goes to Ms. Arya Raj Papini Vatadrajan, Ms. Utkarsha Deshmukh and Mr. Vrushab Tiple. And the first prize goes to Mr. Sumit Chavan, Mr. Mahesh Bari and Mr. Nilesh Kamble. Now, I would I would like to announce the result of poster competition held by Forensic Psychology Department on the occasion of World's Mental Health Day that was occurred on 10th of October 2022. Third prize goes to Sakshi Budhe from BSc third year. There's a tie for the second prize which goes to Umesh Kalapad and Kanchan Chavan from MSc first year. And the first prize goes to Harshvardhan Gavai from BSc third year. आणि हे कसलं आहे? Now, I would like to call the students who qualified the UGC NET examination, that is Pallavi Jaiswal, Akansha Sadavarte and Harshida Wankhede. I would like to announce the name of the students who participated in the University of Youth Festival 2022. Gaurav Rokde from BSc third year, Mahesh Thor from BSc third year, Harshvardhan Gavai from BSc third year, Shruti Khairnar from BSc third year, Shaumik Mandal from BSc third year and Sakshi Gore from BSc second year. Now, I would like to call upon the stage the students who participated in the University Level Avishkar 2022 and 2023. Suraj Badrale, Shaumik Mandal, Nehal Joshi, Harshvardhan Gavai, Gauravi Nipunje, Mahesh Thor, Sania Mulani and Pooja Rani Nikam. Now, we would like to address the faculty achievements. Dr. Beauty Arora for the achievement in research grant under RGSTC. Dr. Rajesh Kumar Sir for achievement in research grant from Punjab University, Chandigarh and RGSTC. And second best paper award in All India Forensic Science Conference 2023. Dr. Om Prakash Pawar Sir, achievement in patent grant received from Australian Government 2022. Dr. C.N. Kaite Sir for achievement in research grant in RGSTC. Mr. Arun Ghuge Sir for achievement in published book title MCQ in Forensic Science. Dr. Sandeep Sangre sir for published book title in MCQ in Forensic Science. Dr. Bhagat sir for highest citation in the academic year 2022. आता मी स्टेजवर अशा व्यक्तिमत्वांना बोलू इच्छिते ज्यांनी या कार्यक्रमाला यशस्वी करण्यासाठी खूप मोठा योगदान दिलं आहे. जेव्हा पण आपल्याला त्यांची गरज असते ते सदा हजर असतात. I request to all the non-teaching staffs to come on the dais. I request Sir Sunil Lanzewar to felicitate our non-teaching staff.
नॉन-टीचिंग स्टाफ सगळा नॉन-टीचिंग स्टाफ. अरे काहीतरी जोर करा ना, शिकवा ना.
Coming towards the end of the program, I invite Ms. Arya Raj Papini Vatadrajan to formally present the vote of thanks. Thank you.
Respected Dr. Sunil Lanzewar, Additional SP of Aurangabad Rural, Dr. Ullas Patel, Director of the institution. Thank you, sir. Thank you for granting permission for conducting the event, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear fellow students. It is indeed a great honor that I stand before you to present this vote of thanks. The past week had been quite eventful with great shows of cultural and sporting caliber, namely Forensic Nova and Phoenix. And many of us worked tirelessly to bring this event to a roaring success. Events like these are part and parcel of any institution that lays strong emphasis on the power of teamwork, sportsman spirit, leadership capabilities, individual will, and most of all, united and diverse array of personalities. Events like these connect on a periodic basis helps fortify our sense of belongingness towards a common community and unity. On that note, let me, on behalf of everyone gathered here, I extend a special and warm token of gratitude to our most respected faculty members who were at the forefront of organizing these events, all the way from planning the events to providing commentary for the sports and athletic events. Thank you, faculty members. The committee responsible for organizing the event in the past week comprised of some of our fellow students who were actively involved round the clock to make necessary logistics fall into place, giving their special attention to the required setup and amenities, while being particular about the minor details, making sure everything was available on time at the different venues. Thank you, student committee members. We are honored to be here to witness the first ever convocation happening at GIFSA, and it is only necessary that we acknowledge the toil that goes behind its realization. I congratulate all the graduating students on behalf of the entire GIFSA family. The management of this event by the staff of GIFSA should not go unnoticed, and I extend my gratitude to them for the same. On behalf of the entire GIFSA family, let us send our gratitude to the Government Institute of Science for their unending support. Finally, let me thank one and all who is seated for taking time from their busy schedules to be here and support this event in your best interests. Thank you.
Coming to the end of this ceremony, I thank each and everyone gathered here. This past 1 week was very wonderful.
And I hope we have the same participation next year. Thank you. Now I request everybody to stand up for the national anthem. Vishram, Savdan, Rashtrageet shuru kar. I thank our honorable chief guest to remove such a precious time and joining us. Thank you. Have a nice day.